For kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Forfoe and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Curious Case of Charlie and Coco. In a charming little town called Willowville, there lived two best friends named Charlie and Coco. Charlie was the clever cat, while Coco was a mischievous dog. Together, they embarked on many exciting adventures filled with curiosity and laughter. One sunny day, as Charlie and Coco strolled through the park, they stumbled upon an old dusty book lying beneath a shady tree. The book had a mysterious aura, with golden letters that spelled out the secret garden of wonders. Intrigued by the book's title, Charlie and Coco opened it and discovered a hidden world filled with magical creatures and enchanted plants. The book told tales of a forgotten garden where wishes came true and dreams flourished. Driven by their insatiable curiosity, Charlie and Coco decided to find this secret garden. Armed with the book as their guide, they set off on a grand adventure, following clues and overcoming obstacles along the way. The first challenge awaited them at a rickety bridge guarded by a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver tested their knowledge and wit with riddles. With clever answers, Charlie and Coco earned their trust and crossed the bridge. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, they encountered a mischievous group of fairies who loved playing pranks. The fairies had hidden the key to the secret garden, and it was up to Charlie and Coco to outsmart them. With Coco's bags and Charlie's quick thinking, they retrieved the key and unlocked the garden's gate. What they found inside was beyond their wildest dreams. The secret garden was a magical paradise with vibrant flowers that danced to the rhythm of the wind, sparkling fountains that whispered stories, and friendly animals that could talk. Charlie and Coco explored every corner of the garden, meeting new friends along the way. They played hide and seek with a mischievous squirrel named Sammy, listened to the wise advice from a singing bird named Melody, and shared stories with a gentle rabbit named Rosie. As they spent days in the secret garden, Charlie and Coco realized that the magic came from within themselves. It was their friendship, their kindness, and their belief in the extraordinary that made the garden come alive. Filled with gratitude for the unforgettable adventure, Charlie and Coco bid farewell to their newfound friends and returned to Willowville. But the memories of the secret garden would forever stay in their heart, reminding them to cherish the magic in every day. From that day forward, Charlie and Coco became ambassadors of wonders, spreading joy and curiosity wherever they went. They shared stories of their adventures, inspiring others to embrace their inner explorer and find magic in the simplest of things. And so, the tales of Charlie and Coco's curious journey lived on, a reminder that the world is full of enchantment for those who are willing to seek it. The end.